live again. Every street lamp seems to beat a fatalistic warning. Someone mutters and the street lamp gutters, and soon it will be morning. Daylight, I must wait for the sunrise. I must think of a new life, and I mustn't give in. When the dawn comes, tonight will be a memory too, and a new day will begin.
You know? Yeah, and then it's, horsehair to pin to her wig. They dance the house off.
They all have a separate bottle of water.
Yep, and so usually start of the show, this has got tons of stuff, but stuff has ended up on the other side.
Right.
So
Where the orchestra is.
the car, so that's John Napier is the one that does the sets and stuff and costumes, and for every show he does that number changes. So this is his 70th show. Yeah, so next show he does, it'll change.
Change every time?
That number changes.
3D kitty.
How does it? It's like a magnet that just comes off and changes?
No,
Or
no,
like
no,
the
no.
whole
I mean,
plate?
as far as like,
Oh,
yeah,
okay.
yeah.
I get it
So
now.
like when he does the 71st show, that'll change to 71.
I get it.
And so you guys can see all the cat eyes, the holes in the things.
Oh, I see him now. Yes.
So in the opening, you see all the cat eyes. And then there's a walkway there. They see the lobby on the chair. And again, rake stage.
Burnt out ends of smoky days, the stale cold smell of morning. A street lamp dies, another night is over, another day is dawning. Touch me, it's so easy to leave me all alone with the memory of my days in the sun. If you touch me, you'll understand what happiness is. Look, a new day has begun.
Thank you.
Got inspired by Alien Fiction, of course, for that scene. And you inspired me to be more flexible.